Here you go. Here are 10 signs that the law of attraction is working for you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. We're here to empower your life with the latest in the mind sciences, the law of attraction, and of course, ancient wisdom. We've helped people in 60 different countries empower their relationship, their career, their business, you name it. So today we're going to talk about 10 signs that the law of attraction is working for you. Number 1, this is huge. This is the big one. You feel happy. You feel calm, relaxed, and yet excited at the same time. I don't know how to describe this feeling exactly. It's a very unique feeling. It's not like the feeling you get when you're going on a roller coaster. It's not that kind of excitement. It's that inner excitement that good things are always coming your way. And you just feel that, and you see it every day. More good things coming your way. And so you're calm, you're relaxed, and sure, the universe doesn't go in a straight line. It goes in waves. We call them vibrational waves, up and down, up and down. But those up and down waves, they don't seem to bother you. You seem to go right through them. So there's motion, but you are going right through them, almost like a hot knife going through butter. It's amazing. You feel happy. It's a great feeling to feel happy. Number 2, you are seeing rainbows everywhere. You're seeing them in magazines. You're seeing them in books. You're seeing them in television shows. You're seeing rainbows in movies. You're seeing rainbows on the internet. You're seeing rainbows in magazines. And of course, you're seeing rainbows in the sky. You just are seeing a preponderance of rainbows. I don't know. It's pretty powerful because rainbows go all the way back to biblical times. And it was called the rainbow of promise, Quishet. The rainbow was like a bow, and the arrow was shooting up to the divine. And so without going into this on an esoteric level, let me just say that the rainbow has always been a symbol. Think of Noah after the flood. When the rain finally stopped, there it was, that rainbow of promise. And so it's a wonderful symbol. It's a promise to you from the universe that good things are coming your way. Did you write that down? Good things are coming my way. The law of attraction is working for you. Look at high flyers. The law of attraction is always working. The good, the bad, the ugly, and all of that. In other words, whatever's in your life, you attracted it. You are a co-creator of your reality. So why not focus on attracting what you truly desire? Let's go on to the third sign. Let's see if you're attracting what you truly desire. You keep seeing signs, symbols that have a meaning to you. It may not have a meaning to anyone else, but it has a meaning to you. Now, if I see a red dragonfly, I know the universe is talking to me. That's a symbol for me. It may not be a symbol for you, but it is a powerful symbol for me. I may not see a red dragonfly for 2 or 3 years, but then all of a sudden, I will see a red dragonfly and I'll see it every day. And I will notice massive change in my life. I will notice that all the things that I've been working on start to work so much easier, so much faster, with so much flow and energy. It's wonderful. So that's my sign. What is your sign? Butterflies? Cats? Black cats, perhaps? White cats? Dogs? Caterpillars? And you probably have more than one. Ladders? A symbol of climbing the mountain. So look for signs that mean something to you. Well, high flyers, we've said this in a number of videos, but certain numbers, consecutive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, or pattern numbers like 1, 1, 1, 1, or 12, 12, 11, 11, 9, 9, 9, 7, 7, 7, 3, 3, 3. These are numbers that often indicate in a huge way that the universe is communicating with you, letting you know that the law of attraction, that your deepest desires and goals are manifesting. They're not something that you need to hope for, because we're beyond the hope stage. It's happening. The manifestation is taking place. So one of my favorite signs that the law of attraction is working for me, high flyers, is animals. Animals seem to become more attracted to me. They seem to want to be around me. They seem to want to be near me. I call it the St. Francis syndrome, because I don't always have animals around me. I don't always have animals that want to follow me. But all of a sudden, when I'm in flow, when I'm in harmony, when I'm in alignment with the universe, with God Force energy, animals are all over the place. I mean, every time I turn my head, I see an animal, whether it's a coyote or a deer or birds, eagles, squirrels, you name it. Animals are hanging around me, and they're not angry with me. They're not vicious. They're just around. I don't fear them. I don't fear them. One night we were on a drive out in the middle of, pretty much out in the middle of nowhere, near the ocean, up in Washington State. And all of a sudden we were surrounded by these giant elk. Now, we're in a Toyota Camry at the time, and there's elk in front of us. There's elk alongside of us. There's elk in back of us. But we weren't afraid. We weren't nervous. We were excited because we knew that we were part of the pack, so to speak, that we weren't threatening to these elks. They weren't ready to spook. They felt calm around us. Why? Because at that moment in time, Rachel and I were in incredible alignment. Beautiful, wonderful alignment. And so when you're in alignment with other people, when you're in alignment with nature, when you're in alignment with your body, when you're in alignment with source energy, animals are just going to love you. They just want to be around that kind of energy. Well, number 6 is that money just follows you everywhere. I mean, everywhere you go, you're finding coins, you're finding dollar bills. Look at today. Today, I got a check in the mail for $200 and some. I had no idea what it was even about. And I guess it was some kind of an overpayment or something. And then all of a sudden, I opened up the next envelope in my mail, and there was a check for $19. Money follows me everywhere. I'm like a magnet for money. You are too. And the more that you believe you're a magnet for money, the more you see that and feel it, the more you will experience it. But as you experience it, remind yourself, high flyers, that this is a sign from the universe that flow, that good things are coming your way. High flyers, don't you just love it when you know somebody's ready to call you? You know somebody's going to text you. You get online and you know somebody is going to be online that the moment you get online, and you didn't You didn't plan it or anything like that. You know you're going to walk into a room and bump into somebody. Rachel and I were talking about somebody. We haven't seen this person or heard from this person in 9 months. We were talking about them earlier in the day. Later in the day, he called. That's synchronicity. And synchronicity and intuition all seem to blend together. You just seem to know things. You seem to know that people are going to text you or call you. You seem to know that people are going to come into contact with you. And you can be thinking about someone on Monday that you haven't seen in years, and they'll call you by Wednesday. It's an incredible thing, but it's a sign that you are flowing in harmony with the energy of the universe and the energy of your dreams and your goals. Well, sign number 8 is synchronicity. And we talked about that a moment ago in relationship to intuition. But synchronicity is when the right people, the right opportunities, the right books, the right music, the right doors just seem to open up or show up in your path. You're walking your path, you're doing your thing, you're feeling confident, you're feeling calm, you're enjoying life, you're manifesting, and synchronicity. There's the right person. There's the right opportunity. There's the right book. Everything just seems to flow and come into your life at the right time. And that's because you are the right person at the right time. You are flowing. You're allowing the law of attraction to work in your life. You're not trying to force it. You're not trying to push it. You're not sitting there wondering, when is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? You know it's already happening, and you accept that. And it's a great, wonderful, exciting, exhilarating feeling. So number 9 is you are sleeping deeper and more peacefully. We get this all the time, especially from people who are using our miracle hypnosis audio program. They say, man, I never used to sleep so deep, but now I'm sleeping deeper than ever before, which means that when you wake up, you're rested, you're refreshed, and you're excited and passionate about your dreams and your goals. And you have the energy to go after them. You have the enthusiasm to go after them. And number 10 is new opportunities. Yes, new opportunities present themselves out of nowhere, out of thin air. I mean, it's amazing. Every day, I get at least 3 opportunities that come out of nowhere. Now, not every opportunity is something that I'm going to jump on, but these opportunities have made me a pile of money. These opportunities have built some new and incredible relationships and friendships. So I love when the universe is just sending me these opportunities. The universe understands I'm not going to use them all, but I'm going to pick and choose the ones that I believe are appropriate. Remember, this is so important, high flyers. You are in a partnership with the universe in the creation of your life and your world. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your free audio by going to miraclehypnosisonline.com/free audio. We're giving you a free audio that will help put your subconscious mind in alignment with your dreams and goals. And listen, when you have your subconscious mind working in harmony with you, it's just a wonderful thing. Everything begins to flow. Everything is smooth as butter. Oh, yeah. Hey, listen, you have a great day. We love you. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and thank you for subscribing. And you have a great day. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.